Hello and welcome back to our basic Excel course. In this video, we'll be learning about another important function in Excel, the average function. The average function is used to calculate the average of a range of cells. It's a quick and easy way to find the central tendency of your data. To use the average function, you'll need to enter a formula in a cell. The formula should start with the equal sign, followed by the function name, average. Then, you'll need to specify the range of cells that you want to average. You can do this by typing in the cell references separated by a comma, or you can simply select the cells with your mouse. Let's take a look at an example. In this spreadsheet, we have a list of sales figures for a small business. We want to know the average sales per month. To do this, we can use the average function to calculate the average of the values in the sales column. First, we'll click on the cell where we want the average to appear. Then, we'll enter the formula equals average B2, B5, which tells Excel to calculate the average of the values in cells B2 through B5. When we hit enter, Excel calculates the average and displays it in the cell. As you can see, the average sales per month is $3,000. Here are a few tips for using the average function. You can use the average function on any range of cells, as long as they contain numeric values. If you have a range of cells that contain both numeric values and text, the average function will ignore the text and only calculate the average of the numeric values. You can also use the average function to calculate the average of cells from multiple sheets within the same workbook. Simply specify the sheet name and cell references in the formula. That's it for the average function. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.